Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed film editing series. So we are finished up the film editing course in the previous week. So this is a conclusion video. So in this video I'm gonna share with you what you not to do, what you want to do. So what you want to avoid while you learning editing inside our software or in practically what you want to do, what you don't want to do. So here the first thing what you want to do is take your camera. It doesn't matter, or take your mobile phone. It doesn't matter which mobile phone you have. It's a low quality, high quality, it doesn't matter. You go to outside and then shot some of the footages, some of the clips, whatever you can see in from your eyes. Take some good pictures, good videos somewhere near to your place. Take some animal photos or natural photos, whatever you like it, and then just take that into your Premiere Pro and import that and just drop that into your software and then start editing that one. You can go to, if you go to free YouTube music, you can get some of the music from YouTube. You can use for free for your projects, or for this is for only for practicing purpose, not for uploading in YouTube or anywhere in any other platforms. So just use any of the music, you just arrange accordingly that one. So that is how you understood how the tools are working in editing. Try to use all these tools. Try to use trim tool and then try to create your own shortcut keys. Here I shown before. Try to create your own shortcut keys and then try to add your shooted footages for every each 1 second or 2 seconds, something like that. Take some good part and then use it in your according to your music. So that is the main, and that's you want to do in the next. So what you don't want to do is, so I'm gonna open any of the my drive. So here I will go to my for YouTube, and okay, I have some of the contents here. So what you don't want to do is just select and then drag and drop in somewhere around here, something like that. Do not do that one. See, I drag and drop that one. I don't know where it is gone. I'm not sure where it is gone, and then I will undo that one. Then if you go to the same folder and then just take and then drag and drop into your direct timeline. So do not do that one. This is also very wrong thing. So I'm going to delete that one. And then some of the people who have, I seen so many people, they have so much experience in editing, but they're doing same mistakes. They're not organizing with the folders. They're taking just clips, footage. I will show you what to. Okay, I'm going to save this one. Save as. Okay, I'm gonna call this one 18 conclusion. See, something like that. So this is my organized folders. If you see, everything is organized. If you go inside here, you can see all the footages, clips, something like that. So in some cases, some people, what they'll do, they didn't even organize. They just select the footages and then drag and drop, and then again they'll take some of the footages from here and then just drag and drop, something like that. See, if you open, if I extend this one, see how crazy it is. The project is, this is not that handy, it's not that comfortable to use that. If you want something content to find out, you can't find, because there is a lot clips in one single folder. So you will confuse where the clips is. Fine. After that, you need to go to every single clip and then where is the clip is. If you go to reveal project, then it will show, okay, here the clip is, something like that. In this case, but I organized everything is organized. So if you go to footages, see here, see I have so many clips, only one clip. If you go to SR, that is a screen recording, something like that. And if I go to my screen recording here, see I have all the dates. What are the dates I am working on? So then if I go to the GFX, there is a all graphic cards located here. So something like that, you need to organize everything, make a folder, and then if you create a new folder, it will take 1 second to create that one, and then keep organize everything. So that's what you want to do. Do not drag and drop into your projects panel and then make this one full dustbin, something like that. So that will be very crazy. So that will waste up time, and then that is a totally unprofessional work. So you imagine if you go to the movie, if you're working on a movie, so you will get something like 30 days, 40 days, 100 days of shooting up footages. You can't import everything in one single folder, so that will like full messed. So you need to find each and every clip, you need to play that one, and then you need to see. So if you go to footages, and then if you organized via folder wise, you can see, okay, where is the dates, what is the camera they used. So that will easy for you. You can quickly find out which footage you want. So, and if you go to the search bar, and then you can search, and then you can find out the clip if you have any clips. That's not part of right now. So that's the thing you want to do. That's the conclusion video. And then first thing I would like to say is practice. You need to shoot some of the footages, or take any of the old movie is located in it's just sitting in your laptop, and then just import into Premiere Pro, and then try to cut that one. And then merge that one, go outside, shoot something in your mobile phone, and then import that into your Premiere Pro. Take any of the music, song, or anything, try to arrange that one. So that's how you'll understand how the software works, how the editing works. So once you master the timeline and the tools, how to use the tools, then you need to start the real editing. So you can edit, and then you can upload it to your YouTube channel or somewhere, or else you can make short films. Go with your friends, and then arrange all the friends, and then shoot something short film or else you don't want to do the short film. You take any of the movie scenes, make some of the comedy scenes, and then take that one, just exactly the same movie clip, just recreate with your friends, with your own characters. So that's also you can do. That's how also. Okay, that is a conclusion video. So that's you want to do. So I shown you what you don't want to do. Do not import everything inside here, and then do not import directly, because sometimes you're working with a different frame rates, different frame rates. If you go to sequence settings, you need to make sure properly check this sequence settings before you exporting. Everything is proper, then you good to go. Okay, that's pretty much of the conclusion video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section, or if you want, you can send me a mail also. I already provided my mail address in the first video, I think first or second video. You can find that one. You can mail me anytime, or you can just let me know in the comment section. Also, I will clear that one, what you have doubts and all things. So until next, I will see you later. So currently I am releasing another series, Photoshop for YouTubers. So check that out if you're interested. So I will see you later. Thank you very much.